Cybersecurity. Cybersecurity is the practice of protecting system, networks, and programs of anyone's company or system. Now let's talk about protocols. What is the cybersecurity protocols? The cybersecurity protocols are the rules, measures, actions that protect anyone's company or incident that may occur or any digital attack. Now there are many disadvantages of the cybersecurity protocols. Let's talk about them. First, high cost of implementation. Yes, this is one of the biggest disadvantages of cybersecurity protocols, that high cost is required for the implementation of cybersecurity protocols. Next, compatibility issues. Next, human error, etc. and so on. Now, to understand that what is the cybersecurity protocols, you should know about cyber crimes. You should know about cyber crimes. Any company should have a strong cybersecurity protocols to protect their system and their customers' data. So, I want to tell you that according to our data, 60% of small businesses go out of business because of being victim of the cyber attacks. So I just want to tell you that the cybersecurity is not there to just only save the information, but it's also there to just protect from antivirus. Do you know that after China, and India is only the highest user of internet. Now, let's talk about some small measures to keep the cybersecurity safety in our mind. Now, just change your password with time. Update your phone system, etc. Now, today I want to tell you that the cybersecurity protocol spread awareness should not only be spread by government, but it should be spread by the citizens to the people, to aware everyone about the cybersecurity protocol and just to save them from the antivirus and the digital attack, cyber attack that can be done on their system.